everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my blog contains mostly my personal travels. Then there's my dog, my cooking and gardening. Today we're going to the aircraft museum. So we have to go to the airport area here and drive around. Departure, arrival. It's a very small airport here, but it's served with people go travel anywhere. London International Parking. I don't see very busy right now, but it seems like it. Statue, it's like Canadian Force airplane. If you decide not to park, you just drop off somebody. There's this, we call it a somebody's running to the
Sorry?
I don't know.
It's running to the bus stop.
Why? I didn't see. Oh, because there's a bus coming and I forgot. It's on my back. There's a bus coming here. Okay, we're coming in. Hello.
Uh-oh, we're on TV. Oh, golly.
Yes.
Uh-oh. Hi.
So where do we start?
Okay, so good. Okay, so stay right there. Okay. And we have a little box here where you can sit. We've got arrows on the floor and all that kind of stuff. So yes, welcome to the Jet Aircraft Museum. We are not like a normal museum. We are not just an artifact with a write-up where you just, go and watch and learn and that kind of thing. We are a working museum. So we acquire, restore, and fly jet aircraft. Parts, which of course are different to get for 60-year-old aircraft.
Hey, just once a day.
We're open Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays I come up Thursdays.
So how many people come through here? On an average?
I don't know what our numbers are for average, but we usually get 2 or 3 tours per day. NORAD and NATO. This is a CF-18 Hornet, right?
Wow.
But Bill has got it marked so that it is exactly as this aircraft flew during the UN conflict in Bosnia, Serbia.
That compared to, say, the Russians or that side?
I'd have to line up the Foxbat, but I believe this was before the Foxbat, right? Because it just came in from outside.
Okay.
So it was out on the apron and doing all sorts of flights, and we can talk about that when we get inside. But so the first American jet fighter was the P-80 Shooting Star. Now, if you picture this as a silver color, the P-80 was almost like identical, except for it was a single-seat aircraft, right? But it was built by Lockheed, and an American-built Allison jet engine, and looked exactly like this as a single seat.
Are these people volunteer or they're working?
They're absolutely volunteers. And they're doing an awesome job. But for their experience as aviation mechanical engineers. So again, the P-80, the first American jet fighter. So P-80 became the F-80. This was their dividing line. Everything after this was
And I actually knew, and actually one of our members is the guy that was in the back seat. You're afraid. Yeah, you can go in.
No, it's okay. Go to sit.
Put your foot on the seat as you go in.
And that's why it's dirty. Ah!
That's what? Your foot's dirty?
No.
Go in and take a picture. Yeah. If you fall off, I can't help you. So basically, the pilot misjudged his airspeed.
Dear. I'm going in.
The stall speed. And these early jets, the Rolls Royce, it takes a little while to full speed, right? So he tried to accelerate. So what's the difference about this aircraft? Look at the roundel on the
Yeah, he got something. Have a mask. Got a hat. It's cold.
This is a British aircraft. This is a
Aye.
Air Force RAF jet. And we have something that we call network flight. So you can fly. Fort Canada came and visited us. And they said, okay, so are you going to have anybody in the back on that aircraft? Any civilians? Money to build this platform. So, what's the number on this one? 6 T-33 from the Royal Canadian Air Force. These are, we got parts.
Ah,
so
okay.
These are actually from Rolls Royce, and you see the stickers.
Oh, there's a name in there. Cool.
So in Canada, all we had to do is get it up. It's yours, take it. It's about $30,000.
Wow.
So there was a little bit of excitement. Obviously not live. We realized it's inert. So this is a training missile, right? So we took the beat up looking one and we restored it to what it would have looked like originally. Wow. USAF missile model AIM 4D. So this is the AIM 4D Falcon. This is the very, very first of any type air-to-air missile. Okay? The design started in 1946.
Royce.
Rolls-Royce Need, N-E-N-E. All the Rolls-Royce are named after rivers. So there's a Need River, there's an Avon River, etc. So the air comes in here, right? It's compressed. Fuel is added. The burners ignite the fuel, which heats up, expands, pushes out the back, pushes through the turbine, turns the turbine, which has an axle that goes to the fans in the front, sucks in more air, more compression, more fuel, more ignition, right? Have you ever flown on a Dash 8?
Yes, out of the Toronto Airport.
Oh.
This is the Havilland Dash 8, serial number 000001. This is their prototype. So you have to think in the 1970s, you got no fancy computer-assisted design. With Rolls-Royce Avon jet engines. Cool. They use the turbines to generate electricity. So, you know, every little bit helps.
Yeah.
Land Road, but of course that went bankrupt. So the city of London, in their infinite wisdom, thought that land, the first thing you do is you whack this to release all these things. Because if you don't, follow. You got a big billowy parachute connected to it. This is like what you'd see outside of a grocery store. You put a
Yeah, it does.
This is a real Link trainer made by Mr. Link.